Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial from BostonG Developers. In this course we'll learn about data science and machine learning. We will go from start to finish, learn about the packages, libraries used, all in which is in Python, and we'll learn terminologies, algorithms, and many more. So the first thing I want to show you is this little chart here. We hear a lot about data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data mining. So let us understand the hierarchy of all of these terminologies. The big picture is data science. So all artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on, they are all go under the umbrella of data science. Now, under data science, we have artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is where we talk about and get close to actually the idea of smart machines, smart algorithms, smart data mining, and so on. So inside that, we have machine learning. So here we start talking about the ability of the machine to learn on its own. For example, recommendation systems like Netflix can recommend for you movies based on your previous data and the movies you have already watched. Now, inside machine learning, we have deep learning. Here we talk about stuff like computer vision, image classification, object detection, and so on. Now here on the side we have data mining. Now data mining is cross between data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, but not deep learning. Now another thing I want to talk to you about is once we start dealing with data, we need to understand first of all what is data exactly. Now data is basically characteristics or information that are usually numerical we collect through observation. For example, we can say that if we have a table and inside this table we can say that maybe we have here date, temperature, humidity, and so on. So this is basically weather data. For each date we have temperature, humidity, maybe sunrise, sunset, wind speed, and so on. Maybe cloud cover and other stuff that meteorologists care about. So each row we have rows and we have columns. In data science we call rows, we call them either row or example or a sample. So whenever you hear the word sample, you can think of it or imagine that there's a table and we are talking about one row in this table. Now when we talk about columns, we call them either variable, attribute, or feature. So I think you have heard previously about something like feature extraction. So this is what we mean about feature. You give some algorithm the data and it's up to the algorithm to determine what features, so what columns, what variables are important, related to solve this specific problem. That's it for me in this video. I just want to make sure that these basic terminology are clear and easy to understand so they don't cause confusion later on this course. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.